if the roots of the equation q minus r into x square plus r minus p into x plus p minus q equal to 0, then show that p comma q comma r in AP. Now let me take this equation first here. Q minus r into x square plus r minus p into x plus p minus q equal to 0. Let me take this bracket as a, b, c. So a equal to q minus r, b equal to r minus p and c equal to p minus q. Okay. So from this quadratic equation I want to find that we want to find the roots of the equation, isn't it? So to find the roots of the equation, I want to take this b square minus 4 is equal to 0. So in this equation we want to substitute the values. Instead of b, that is r minus p the whole square, minus 4 into, for a q minus r, for c p minus q equal to 0. Now I want to expand this bracket in the formula a minus b the whole square, that is r square plus p square minus 2rp. Here I want to remove the bracket, so multiply this, so minus 4p. So keep this 4 as it is. I want to remove the brackets from these two terms, so I want to multiply by q and then by minus r, so that we got like this. The next term we want to remove this bracket, so multiply with 4 here, so minus 4p plus 4p q square plus 4rp minus 4rq now. So now we want to arrange these things like this: r square plus p square plus 4q square and then 2rp minus 4pq minus 4rq equal to 0. So this is in the form of a plus b plus c the whole square, isn't it? So I want to simplify this into r plus p minus 2q the whole square. If you expand this, we will get this this previous term here. Okay. So if the whole square term is equal to 0, we can equate the bracket as also 0. So r plus p equal to 2q equal to 0. So you want to take this 2q minus 2q to the other side, it will become plus 2q. So 2q equal to r plus p now. Therefore, we can say and we can conclude p comma q comma r in AP. 10th sum. If a comma b comma c are respectively the pth, qth and rth terms of a GP, show that q minus r log a plus r minus p log b plus p minus q log c equal to 0. Here the pth term is a and qth term is b and rth term is c. These terms are in GP. We want to show this particular equation equal to 0 here. Okay, this is the problem given here. So I want to take the first term as a, capital A, and r as the common ratio. Okay, so if you take this a is if you take a, we can take the formula for Tn formula, that is a r bar p minus 1, that is nothing but pth term. Here it is given pth term is a, isn't it? So I want to take log on both the sides now. If you take log on both the sides, it will become log a equal to, here it is in product there. So in logarithmic, if it is in product, we can write in the addition, isn't it? So log a plus we want to take this part to this front side. So p minus 1 log r. Do you got it here? And then the second term is given as qth term is equal to b. Okay, so that b equal to a r bar q minus 1. Now I want to take log on both the sides. Therefore, that b will become as log b, and here it's in product, so log a plus, here this part should be come to front here, so q minus 1 into log r. Okay, and then that next term is that c equal to rth term, that's nothing but a r par r minus 1. So I can say that log c equal to log a plus r minus 1 into log r. Okay. Now I want to add all the things there. So the left hand side it will become log a plus log b plus log c. Isn't it? That given from the given problem it's there. Q left hand side is q minus r into log a plus r minus p into log p plus p minus q into log c. This is the given problem here. So now here I want to substitute the value of log a is log a plus p minus 1 into log r, and then r minus p into for this log b, r minus p into this log a plus q minus 1 into log r, and then p minus q into for this log c we have p minus q into log a plus r minus 1 into log r. Okay, just we want to substitute the values of log a, log b and log c, and then I want to simplify this thing. Okay, now we want to take this log a as common factor here. So if you take this log a is common from these three terms. Okay, for these three terms we want to take log a there. So I can take this log a means here I have already q minus r. So this q minus r, and then from here for this log a we have r minus p plus r minus p, and then for this log a we have p minus q. So plus p minus q then. So we separated this log terms here, and then here we have log r from the second term. So log r is here. So take log r as common here, and from this term q minus r into p minus 1. Okay, so we want to multiply both the things. That means that is pq minus pr minus q plus r from the first term, and then from the second term that log r is common. From here I can take from the second term I can take this r minus p into q minus 1. So that is here, and then from the third term for this log r that common terms are p minus q into r minus 1. So if you multiply you can get these terms. We want to simplify here in the bracket itself. Okay, so from here, from the first bracket here we can cancel plus r minus q plus q and plus p and minus p, that is 0. So log a into 0. From this bracket plus pq and minus pq minus pr, and then plus pr minus q and plus q is here, and r is here and minus r is here, and then plus qr and minus qr, and then what's the remaining term, p and minus p. So everything is get cancelled here. So r unto 0. So totally we got 0 here. So that is the required answer for us. Thank you.